Hey, do you study English but still feel stuck? The problem isn't your level, it's how you use simple phrases. Let's fix that.
Hi, Liam. Can I ask you something today?
Hi, Emma. Yes, of course.
Do you feel stuck in English?
Yes, I feel stuck.
That's okay. Do many learners feel stuck like this?
Yes, most learners feel stuck.
Yes, exactly. Do you want to understand why this happens?
Yes, I really want to.
Good job. Do you think you study a lot but don't see progress?
Yes, that's how I feel.
Do you feel something is missing?
Yes, something feels missing.
That's great to notice. Do you think English can feel easier than this?
Wow. Yes, I think it can.
Yes, exactly. Do you want to see what keeps learners stuck?
Yes, I want to know.
Good. Do you understand English when you listen?
Yes, I understand a little.
Good job. Is speaking harder?
Yes, speaking is harder.
That's normal. Do you feel nervous when you speak?
Yes, I feel nervous.
Many learners feel that. Do mistakes scare you?
Yes, they scare me.
That's okay. Do mistakes help you learn?
Yes, I think they do.
Yes, exactly. Do you try to be perfect when you speak?
Yes, I try too much.
Can simple English be okay?
Wow, yes, simple English is okay.
That's great. Does speaking simple help you speak more?
Yes, it helps.
Good job. Do you wait to feel ready before you speak?
Yes, I wait.
Can you speak even if you don't feel ready?
Yes, I can try.
That's great. Do most learners feel ready one day?
No, they don't.
Yes, exactly. Do you translate in your head when you speak?
Yes, always.
Wow. Can short phrases help you stop translating?
Yes, short phrases help.
Good job. Does that make speaking faster?
Yes, a little faster.
That's great. Do you forget words when you speak?
Yes, I forget words.
That's okay. Can you keep speaking anyway?
Yes, I can.
Good job. Do you study a lot of grammar?
Yes, a lot.
Wow. Can using English help more than studying grammar?
Yes, using English helps more.
Yes, exactly. Does speaking a little every day help?
Yes, it helps a lot.
Do you use English in real life?
No, not much.
Is that why learners feel stuck?
Yes, I think so.
Yes, exactly. Do you practice speaking every day?
No, not every day.
That's common. Do you mostly listen and read?
Yes, mostly.
Good job noticing that. Is speaking your weakest skill?
Yes, it is.
Do you avoid speaking?
Yes, I avoid it.
Does avoiding speaking slow progress?
Yes, it slows progress.
Do you compare yourself to others?
Yes, sometimes.
That's hard. Does that make you feel worse?
Yes, it does.
I see. Do you feel English is too hard?
Yes, sometimes.
That's okay. Do you feel tired of studying?
Yes, I feel tired.
Do long lessons make it worse?
Yes, long lessons are hard.
Do short lessons help more?
Yes, they help.
That's great. Do you study every day?
No, not every day.
Do breaks slow progress?
Yes, they do.
Do you expect fast results?
Yes, I do.
Ah, does slow progress feel like no progress?
Yes, it feels like that.
That's very common. Do you notice small improvements?
No, I don't.
Do small improvements matter?
Yes, they do.
Yes, exactly. Can you understand more than before?
Yes, a little more.
That's great. Is that progress?
Wow, yes, it is.
Good job. Do learners forget that progress is slow?
Yes, many forget. They want fast progress.
Do learners stop too soon?
Yes, some stop before they see progress.
Do you want to stop?
No, I don't. I want to keep going.
That's great. Do you want to improve?
Yes, I really want to improve step by step.
Good job. Do you need perfect English to speak?
No, I don't. Simple English is enough.
Can you speak with simple English?
Yes, I can. I can speak little by little.
Yes, exactly. Is simple English okay?
Yes, it is okay. Simple English helps me speak.
Do learners think simple English is bad?
Yes, many think that, but it's not true.
Is that true?
No, it's not true. Simple English is real English.
That's right. Do learners block themselves?
Yes, they block themselves with fear and pressure.
Do fear and pressure block progress?
Yes, they block progress. So I relax and just speak.
Wow. Can practice help more than studying?
Yes, practice helps more than studying.
That's great. Can small practice every day help?
Yes, it helps a lot, even small practice.
Even 5 minutes a day?
Wow, yes, 5 minutes help.
Good job. Does speaking a little help you feel less stuck?
Yes, it helps. I feel less stuck now.
That's great. Do mistakes help learning?
Yes, they help. Mistakes are okay.
Yes, exactly. So are you really not improving, or are you improving slowly?
I think I am improving slowly.
Wow. Does that change how you feel about English?
Yes, I feel calmer and more confident.
That's great. So when learners feel stuck, what do they really need?
They need to speak more, relax, and be kind to themselves.
Yes, exactly. And is English really not for you?
No, English is for me. Wow, I've learned a lot, but where can I practice more?
On Quick Speak Q&A.
See you in the next episode.